Hello friends, today we are going to cook KFC fried chicken. Just we will call this as LFC fried chicken. Very easy, one of the easiest chicken dish I have ever made. It's very simple. You can complete this in 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So the first step is take the chicken, make marks on the cuts like this, and soak this chicken in salt water for 30 minutes. So that way the chicken becomes very tender. So first we will be marinating the chicken. So for this, let's make the marination sauce. So first would be adding some soya sauce. That's good. Now let's add some ketchup, tomato ketchup. That's good. Ginger and garlic paste. Add some salt. That's good. Black pepper powder. That's good. Now we are going to add some chicken masala for spiciness. If you don't like it to be spicy, then you can avoid this one. I'll squeeze from the lemon. Yep, that's good. Now we are going to mix these. Now we are going to add our chicken to this one, and we are going to do massage to this chicken. Make sure the marination is very well coated to this. Once we are done with this, we are going to keep it in freezer for at least 1 hour, so that way the marination gets stick to the chicken. Marination goes deep inside the meat, inside the cuts what we made. That's perfect.
Next we will be doing the mix of outer layer, the coating. So for this we will be taking 1 cup of, almost more than 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Spread it accordingly. Yep. Let's do this more than that. I think this would be good enough for those many leg pieces of the drumsticks. Now we are going to take near to 1/4 cup of rice flour. The rice has been turned into flour like this, fine powder, for the crunchiness. Okay, I think that's good enough. Next we are going to take same equal amount of corn flour. That's perfect. Now we are going to add some chili powder to make it spicy. That's good. I'm going to add some turmeric powder or haldi just for the yellowish color. Outer layer. I think that's good, huh? We're going to add some black pepper powder. That's perfect. Now we are going to mix these well. Mix very well. And after adding all this, we are going to add some salt to it. That's perfect. Now we are going to dip our chicken drumsticks into this. And then we are going to dip our drumsticks again in egg white. And we are going to dip our chicken leg once again into this. So that's like two coatings. Okay? And if you don't have egg white, or if you don't want egg white, then you can even use cool water, like almost freezing cool water. But I would suggest egg white. It's perfect. So we will be taking our leg piece, we will be dipping into this powder, make it as a fine coating, gently, all over the chicken. Just use like this. Perfect. Now we are going to dip this one, use the leg, dip this one into egg yolk, like this. That's perfect. Now we are going to dip it in this again. That's how we are going to do for all the leg pieces.
So this is how it's going to look once we do the 2-layer coating of all that marination, everything. Once the oil is very hot, switch the stove to like 70% or the medium. Then we are going to add our chicken. Slowly drop them. Make sure you drop them gently like this. And for every 5 minutes flip those legs. And we need to roast them for at least 15 minutes like this. So after roasting them for 15 minutes each piece, flipping them for every 3 minutes to 5 minutes, the fried chicken is ready. This is the spicy one, so that's why you see a lot of red and brown color. If you don't want it too spicy, then you can avoid the chili powder. Then that way you can get it light KFC style kind of yellow color. Yay! So thank you friends for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment on this video. Only if you share it, that will motivate me to cook more such dishes. Thank you. Bye.